Hey there, pioneers! Here's how you can get the Acidic Raion Pouch in Subnautica 2. Acidic Raion Pouches are important crafting ingredients, especially when you need a lot of batteries. To get them, you must first craft a survival multi-tool for 3 pieces of titanium. When you have it, dive underwater and look for any nearby cave and go inside it. When you see a brain-like aquatic plant with a green glow in the middle of it, you just found what you're looking for. Approach it and right-click the pink portions of the plant to break them. Then you'll get the Acidic Raion Pouch. Harvest the remaining pouches and don't forget to pick up the medical gel sack. Try not to pick the green sack while the pink pouches are still in place, or else the plant will release a cloud of poison that can hurt you. Make sure to harvest enough Acidic Raion pouches for all your crafting needs. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.